everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I am going to discuss about the all season indoor composter. It comes with a 5-gallon compost bin along with a starter kit, dry bokashi brand powder. This is a very useful product those who loves gardening by using the kitchen waste with a minimal order. It is very convenient to use at your kitchen. Very convenient to use, and it is using the anaerobic process, so we don't need to rotate the compost, and also we can make the compost in winter season or rainy season. This composter will come with a plate with a lot of holes to drain the compost tea to collect at the bottom. We can remove it while cleaning it. Once you collect the kitchen waste, it's like vegetable peels and fruit peels, you need to add this one into the compost bin and then add the bokashi powder layer by layer. Each time whenever you are adding the vegetable peels into the bin, you need to add sufficient amount of the bokashi powder and also cover it with the lid to prevent the air into this composting process. Whenever you see the mold is forming too much in the bin, you can add more bokashi powder into that to make the fermenting process. Covering the kitchen waste with a cover so that the oxygen or air does not enter into the gap. This composting will occur through the anaerobic process, means oxygen does not require to ferment it. We don't need to mix it each time like other composting processes. Each few weeks we can collect the compost tea with the strainer. For the first time it may take some more time, but after that you can collect it each few weeks, this compost tea. This is so thick we can dilute it and we can use this as a plant food for the flower beds, vegetable gardens and indoor house plants. Collected compost tea is super concentrated. We need to dilute it by adding half cup of this tea into a gallon of water and then pour it onto the garden bed or any plants. We can keep collecting the compost tea until the bucket is full once every few days, and we can use this one for our plants. Within 2 weeks of time, this kitchen composter has fermented like this. Once the bucket is full, we need to ferment it further for 2 more weeks and then dig the soil for few more inches and then mix it with the soil to further decomposition. We can clean it every time like this and then reuse it, this compost bin. Overall, I like this product a lot, and this is so useful for our gardens. We can make the compost with our kitchen. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click a like.